And welcome to this tutorial. So in today's tutorial we are going to see how we can remove the background of our image using our smartphone. So these are just simple ways, very simple and quick. So but before we continue, please do it to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, please do it to subscribe, like, comment and share my video. If you have any question, please do it to drop it on the comment section. Alright, so in today's tutorial we are going to see how we can remove the background of our image. So why do we have to remove the background of an image? We have to remove the background of our image in order for us to give the image the background of our choice. So in sometimes when you want to design, you have to remove the background of your image, almost all of them. So in today's tutorial we're going to see a simple way in which we can remove the background of our image using Google. There are many other ways in which we can remove the background of our image. We can make use of Canva, we can make use of Lightroom, Photoroom and many others. So in today's tutorial we are going to see how we can remove the background of our image using Google. It's very simple. Just see now, in few minutes I will be done removing the background of an image. Alright, so you go to your search. You can use Chrome for this. Chrome can still work, or other apps that you can use. So you go to your search. So what you will type here is just remove bj. So just type this, remove what, bj. Alright, so when you type it, then you now click. So sorry. Alright, so these are many apps or many websites that can offer this. So you can see here we have Photoroom. I made mention of it earlier. Photoroom. So these are the other websites or apps that can help you to remove the background of your image. But I have one that I will recommend for you. It's very easy and it's very straightforward. There is no trouble using it. It's very easy to use, and that one is this one here, this remove.ai. I normally use it. That's the only one I use self. I don't use other websites or app to remove my background because this one is very perfect and easy to use. Alright, so all you have to do, just click on it and allow it to load. Okay, it's loading. Alright, and this is the interface. So you can see all this. So let us see the example of what they have removed. Example of image they have removed, and that is this. So they removed the initial image, which was this, and they got this. Alright, so this is just their website. You can see it, very easy to use. Alright, so for us to put our own image now, all you have to do is just click on this choose photo. You click on this what, choose photo. Now when you click on it, it will direct you to your gallery where you will choose which one you will remove. So all these ones you are seeing here are the ones that have removed their background. I removed them recently because I designed a flyer for one of my clients today. Alright, so all you have to do, but the one I'm going to select, it will be from here. So I'll click it. Alright, so I've selected my image. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, I've uploaded my image here and the thing is loading. You can see it. Wow, done. Very easy and sharp. So you have seen that the thing have removed the background. So for you to download this image now, all you have to do is just click on this download. Don't click on this one here. No, don't click this one. Click on it. Just click on this download. Then when you click on it, allow it to load. Then it will prompt out this. Just click on this download here. Sorry. Okay, the thing I've downloaded already. Let's just go back. sorry, I mistakenly went out of the website. Okay, let me just do this sharp so you see it. You can see the thing is already showing where. Alright, so let me just choose the image sharp. It is loading. Just the same way, you can move multiple images at once. So just click on the download. I've shown you this, but I just want to make sure you understand everything. Then you click on this download here again. You can see download complete. That's the notification. Here it is, the notification, download complete. Then if you want to edit this picture now, you want to give it a background, you can also do that using this website. All you have to do is just click on this edit tool, click on it. Then here we have the frame they give, the ratio. So you can see passport, photo, Instagram post, Facebook post. So all these are the frame they give, and these are the tools or things you can edit: the text, background, brightness, contrast. So let's assume we want to edit the background. Then we click on background here. Alright, let's just check a simple background. Let me just choose this one here. Alright, the thing have changed. So if you want to resize this your image now, all you have to do is just click on the image, then you use this one here to resize. Don't touch other one, use here to resize. Alright, let's resize it. You can see the thing is resizing. So if I want to put this image into this background, it's very easy. You can see it. You can see it now. So this is just simple way of how you can remove your background and how you can import a new background. They have other backgrounds. You can see all these ones. So there are many backgrounds. Here. Whichever one you like, you can choose for your design. You can see it. There are many backgrounds. So this is just a simple way in which you can remove the background of your image. Then if you want to download after your edit, maybe the brightness, the text and the background, everything after editing, all you have to do is just click here, click on this download here. When you click on it, then the thing will now download. So this is just a simple way in which you can remove the background of your image. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. So by the next video, we are going to treat logo design. So stay tuned to this channel. Please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video. If you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video.